Hello everyone. So let's wait for the intro to pop in and then we're going to start the video that I am actually looking forward to share with you guys. And I hope it would be helpful for you in one way or the other. So I hope all of you are fine, all of you are happy, you're healthy, you're thriving and staying as far away as possible from this hideous COVID-19, which is still not going anywhere, especially in our country. I know that many countries out there, they're fine. They have literally fought against the disease and they're fine now, and they're getting back to their normal self very soon. So let's just say that 2020 has not been the perfect year, and it had played us all in all the wrong ways, by the way. 2020, from Beirut explosion, airline crash, Australian bushfire, Indonesian flood. What didn't went wrong in 2020? Just think about it. But the cherry on top was this little baby, Mr. Coronavirus. Quite not literally, by the way. Not literally. All of us were bound to stay at our homes so that the spread of COVID could be stopped. And the aim was to get back to the normal self as soon as possible, but it took us over a year to be back where we were before. All of that led to depression, anger, frustration, anxiety, you name the mental disorder that we didn't go through. So now the nightmare is over. We have spent a whole year stuck in our houses. Many have lost their jobs. Many have gone through so many changes. I myself has gone through a lot. 2020 and COVID, they have cost me a lot. In terms of my relationships, in terms of my mental health, in terms of literally everything. Even though 5 months of 2021 has still gone, but still you can do a lot in the next 7 months. So I'm going to share 5 things to do in 2021. So let's make a checklist and do these 5 things. So the first thing that you can do is watch the sunrise up in the air. For all those who wake up pretty early in the morning, it's no big deal, you might have seen it before. But for people like us who wake up literally really really late, it's also good for non-social beings like me. So everyone who is in Lahore right now, the best places to watch the sunrise is Minar-e-Pakistan, Model Town Park, Racecourse. But because we are bound in the house, I would suggest you visit your roof in the morning and watch it. The second point is to change your look. Changes can be very endearing in the society where people are really really judgmental. They want you to live according to what they perceive you to be like. It can be difficult here, but I think it's also very important that you start loving yourself. And 2020 has taught me to love myself more than anything else in the world. Changes can include turning your hair into a funky color. You can have a piercing that you always wanted to have. You can have a tattoo. You can literally go for any change that you were scared to have before this time. So all those who know me know the fact that I had long hair and my hair did not look like this, my face did not look like this. I changed a lot in 2020 and in 2021 because I'm basically taking all this time to have the necessary changes in me, which I couldn't have if the life was normal, like if the life was going on normally like it was before 2020. So long story short, go for the change that you wanted, because again, what's the worst that can happen? The third point is to take an online course, and it differs from all the rest of the points, but it is very important to keep learning new things, to add up to your trades, to add up to your hobbies, and just learn things that you like, that you are passionate about, to add up to. From web related courses to beauty related courses, you can go for anything you want. All you have to do is to search the internet, and I'm gonna link down below some of the courses that I think might intrigue you in any way or might be helpful for some of you out there. Trust me, once done with the course, you will feel so empowered. I tell you not, probably the best thing that you can do with you on your spare time is going for a course. However, if you cannot go for a course, I would recommend reading something. If so, read whatever you like. You can read a novel, you can read a magazine. The main thing is to read something, because at the end of the day you will learn something new by reading, literally reading anything. So the fourth thing that I want you guys to do is to bake something, and baking in itself is one of the most relaxing activity you can go for. Trust me on that. First, it does not take a lot of expertise. Anyone can bake. Even people who do not or cannot cook can bake. Second thing is that the result of baking is always mouth-watering good. You cannot glitch, you cannot go wrong when it comes to baking. The end result is always edible. Okay. So the fifth thing that you can do in 2021 to make it look a little better is spring cleaning, because at the end of the day, cleaning is one of the most satisfying things you can ever do, because I don't think anyone can stand dirty places, or most of the normal people cannot. So why don't you utilize your time and do it as an activity which is really rewarding at the end of the day, because your space would be so clean and you don't have to worry about anything else. So that is it from my side. So these were the 5 things I wanted everybody out who's watching it to do before 2021 ends and our life gets back to normal. At least that's what I expect. Our life to get normalized. So I really hope you like the video, and if you do so, please like, subscribe, do all those things people do on YouTube. And I'm really thankful for everybody who's watching the videos that I make. I'm really new here. I'm just I'm still learning about the content, the optimization process, and so much. So it's just the beginning, and I hope with time my content will get promote my channel as much as possible. I'm not gonna force anyone for doing so, but because I'm still new and I'm still learning, and many people might find it helpful and many might not. So it totally depends on the person who's watching it. So bye guys, and take care. I'm gonna meet you in my next video. So peace out.